time and data again with this new unlimited hack. Hundreds of people all over Nigeria are using this improved hack for one reason: IT. How would you like to have the ultimate hack that will not only enable you to have unlimited airtime and data, but also ensure that you never have to pay for it again? Hi, you see, the likes of MTN, Airtel, Glo and 9mobile have been around for quite some time now. And these companies have been taking our money from us in exchange for airtime and data. Despite the coronavirus pandemic, MTN Nigeria recorded revenues rising to over 100 billion monthly in 2020. What that means is that they've made more money during this pandemic than any other point in time. Have you ever thought about how much you spend on airtime and data monthly? It's more than 3,000 naira, and that doesn't guarantee you will get total satisfaction from what you subscribe for. My friend, are you tired and frustrated like me with this problem of being unable to afford substantial data or being able to enjoy what you paid for simply because they don't last? If your answer is yes, you are about to get access to a breakthrough hack formula that will help you get unlimited airtime and data on a consistent basis even if you go broke tomorrow. Behold, I present you with a secret unlimited airtime and data hack for all networks: MTN, Airtel, Glo and 9mobile. Yes, you heard me right. It's an unlimited hack and not a cheat. With one-time recharge of 1,200, you will be able to recycle your recharge over and over again, thereby attracting data and airtime bonus simultaneously every single time the process is run. Please note, however, it requires a new SIM card, it has no expiration date, there is no limit to the acquisition of both data and airtime. One-time recharge of 1,200 is once and for all. You can recycle for as many times as possible in a day. Here is the good news. After figuring out how to save people from spending excess money on data and airtime, I am willing to make this secret available to you. Imagine after getting this hack, you will never have to worry about data exhaustion simply because this hack got you covered. To get access to this hack, you will have to pay 9,990 naira only. But guess what? There is a discount. The payment of 4,990 naira will go for just first 10 persons that will be taking this offer within the next 24 hours. After 24 hours, the payment will be reverted back to the initial price of 9,990 naira. So if you want to join me and my team in this hack community and enjoy this unlimited hack, pay in the sum of 4,990 naira into the account shown on the screen and send in your proof of payment via WhatsApp to 09066503286 so you can access the hack immediately. Remember, the discount offers last in 24 hours and I'm hoping to see you in our community.